Key replacement. Justin, what is key replacement?
Lose a key to replace it. Not if they lose it, if they break it or something.
No, either of the aforementioned.
Even if they lose it too?
If they lose it, if they break it, if it goes through the washing machine, if it just quits malfunctioning, we will replace the key fob. Now,
Up to 2 of them, right?
up to 2. We'll do 2 in the first 6 months. Now, how much does a key fob cost to replace?
$175. And on the fob.
Depends on the fob, you're right. It ain't cheap. I bought a new car in April of 2019. In May of 2019, I took it to the airport, flew off, flew around, flew back. Somewhere between Greensboro, North Carolina and Sarasota, Florida, my key fob disappeared. $55 Uber ride back home to get the other key. $55 Uber ride back to my car, to the dealership to get a key made for $375. So I'm out $475, $485. I'm out $485. Had I bought my vehicle here, what would I have been out? Zero. You would have paid for my Uber rides. You would have paid to have my key fob replaced and programmed. Had I lost an entire key ring, you would have paid me an additional $200 to replace other keys on my key ring. Had I needed a locksmith, you would have paid for a locksmith. It is an extremely valuable benefit. However, reality says this. Alyssa, if 100 people lose their key fob, how many pay to have it replaced?
Oh, not a lot. Probably 20%, maybe.
If I had another prize, I'd give it to you. Just about right. 20 to 25% look into getting it fixed. Only 10% actually pay for it when they find out how much it costs to get the son of a bitch fixed. What they do is they just take better care of their last key. But Dustin, do they end up paying for it?
Yes, sir.
And how do they end up paying for it?
When they sell it or trade it.
Because literally, the more keys your customer has to their car, the more valuable their car.